Now, my friends, let's take one more example. Here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the delimiter. So you can use any kind of delimiter. Let's say this string contains a special keyword that says the colon. So here I'm just placing colon somewhere in my string. So I'm going to use this as a delimiter. So this would delimit my tokens. And here in the string, what you can do, you can just the second parameter argument you can use. I want to use this as a delimiter, and with this delimiter I need to extract my token. You can use any other special characters like @ not, hash, dollar, module, whatever you want. But let me use this. And now let's see the change that is going to become when I run this application. So you can see the join this after we have a delimiter, and then we have a core Java course delimiter, and then to have the industry experience. So in this way you can collect the strings, you can collect the part of the strings, you can collect the strings basis on the spaces, you can collect the string on the basis of the delimiters. So my friends, try it out by yourselves and try to create some string. Use the string tokenizer to extract the tokens by using the spaces or by using the delimiters.